In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Form questions. This quick tutorial is designed to guide you through the process from beginning to end, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. Whether you're looking to archive your forms, share them with colleagues, or use them in presentations, knowing how to export your Google Form questions can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right in. First and foremost, you need to access your Google Form. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Forms website. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in if you haven't already. Enter your email address, click Next, then type in your password and click Sign In. This will take you to the home page of Google Forms where all your forms are housed. Once you're signed in, locate the Google form you wish to export. You may have a list of forms available, so take a moment to find the specific one you need. Clicking on the form will open it, allowing you to see all the questions you've created. Now for the part where we start the export process, look towards the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll find three vertical dots. This is the More button, which gives you access to additional options. Click on these dots to open up the drop-down menu. In the menu that appears, you'll see several options. You're looking for the one labelled Print. Clicking Print might seem a bit counterintuitive if you're used to digital exports, but trust me, this is the step that leads to the export process. What this does is prepare your form in a print-friendly format, but instead of printing on paper, we're going to save it digitally. After selecting Print, a new window will pop up. This is the print preview window, and you'll notice that it gives you the option to select a printer. However, instead of sending your form to an actual printer, you'll look for the option to save as PDF. This can usually be found in the drop-down menu where you typically select a printer. Selecting Save as PDF changes the destination of your document from a physical printer to a digital file. Once Save as PDF is selected, you might want to adjust the settings or the layout to ensure your form looks exactly how you want it when saved. Feel free to preview the document and make any necessary adjustments. When you're happy with how it looks, proceed to save the file. You'll be asked to choose a location on your computer to save the PDF. Pick a spot that's easy for you to remember, and give your file a name that makes it easy to identify later. And just like that, you've successfully exported your Google Form questions as a PDF file. This file can now be shared via email, uploaded to a shared drive, or even printed out for hard copy use if needed. Remember, the ability to export Google Form questions is not just about saving the questions. It's a way to share valuable insights, collaborate with teammates, or keep a record of your surveys and quizzes for future use. So whether you're a teacher, a business professional, or just someone who loves staying organized, understanding how to export your Google Form questions is a skill that's sure to come in handy. There you have it, a simple and efficient way to export your Google Form questions. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.